How do you list bulk item on Home Depot using a feed file? I know many of you find this difficult, that's why I'll show the process step by step. And don't miss any part of this video because every step is very crucial to avoid any kind of mistakes or technical issues. So after logging into your Home Depot vendor portal, click on this arrow to open the menu. Click onboard new items. If you have variation, first you need to create a super SKU. Then have to create a new super SKU item for your child items. If you list a single product, then don't need to create a super SKU, only go with the create items. The process is pretty much the same. I'm showing you the variation one. So click on create new super SKU, then click on generate quick sheet from down here. From here, select your category. After the selection, click OK. Again, click OK. Then an Excel file has been downloaded. Open it. Enter the product title here. Select your supplier ID from the drop-down. This code is auto-generated after downloading the feed from Home Depot. This is the brand's unique ID, and when the feed is downloaded, it remains empty and needs to be selected from the drop-down menu. Only this code is available in our drop-down menu so far. Next, enter new Home Depot proprietary brand name. It's not applicable. Then it asks whether the Home Depot or the interline brands will act as the importer of record for the new item being introduced. Select N. Now save the file. After saving it, click here, Upload Quick Sheet. Choose the file and start upload. Then refresh the page. Here, our upload is successful. Now it's time for the child items. You actually need to download 3 separate feed files and upload them in 3 different steps. Do each steps very carefully, otherwise you will get errors. So for the first step, click on create new super SKU item. Click generate quick sheet. Now select the parent SKU item we have just created. Easy way to do this is first select the category, then press Ctrl+F, then paste the title on the search box, and here comes the item. Then put the inventory number in the box below, click OK. Go to Upload Quick Sheets, then click here. Now you'll see this new export sheet has been created. Click on this download icon, then open the file after downloading. Enter new product name, supplier ID, inventory number, GTIN, UPC. These 3 columns are not applicable. Number of boxes is 1. Now save the file. Then back to vendor portal, click Upload Quick Sheet and upload the file. Refresh the page and this new item will show up. Now we are moving to the next step of the process. We need to upload 2 more files. Click on Search for Items. Enter the product ID on the box and search by MFG model number. We have our item here. Go to the Supply Chain Enrich tab. Check this tick mark. Click on Generate Quick Sheets. Give the process name by entering the inventory number from here. Now again go to Upload Quick Sheets and click here. Click the download icon, then open the downloaded file. In this file, you'll see some of the columns are already filled. All you need to fill up the package information. Now back to the vendor portal, click Upload Quick Sheets, choose the file, start upload. Refresh and see that a new item appears. Now next step, again go to search for items. Our information is already given. If not, give here the MFG model number and search. Now go to Enrich tab from here, tick mark here and click Generate Quick Sheet. Same way, give the process name. Now go to Upload Quick Sheet and click here. Download the Enrich file by clicking on this icon. Then open the downloaded file. Again, some information is already taken. You need to give the country of origin. Select the country name from this window. Does this product contain any wood or wood composite? No. Is this product regulated by a type of VOC guideline or rule at the state level? Again, no. Now these are mainly safety instructions like is this thing is safe for children or not. Then give MFG brand name. MFG name. For MFG part number, give your inventory number here. Then comes more safety instructions. Feel these instructions applicable for your product. Is this a new version of an existing item? As this is new listing, so you need to select no. Give initial online cost in this column and initial market retail price here. Give the item weight, excluded ship states, sale package quantity is 1. In this way, fill up all the necessary fields. I think you got this. I'm pretty much confident that you'll be able to fill up the rest of the column by yourself. The best thing for you would be go through the whole sheet and fill up every required fields. Remember to put those attributes and bullet features correctly. It will help you on SEO. After completing it, save the file. Then come back to vendor portal, go to upload quick sheets, then click here. Choose the last file from your PC and then start upload. Refresh the page and make sure your upload is successful. Now we need to upload the images manually. We have covered the manual upload process of images in our previous video. I will give you the link in the description. But before submission, we will check to make sure that all our given information is correct. Go to search for items, then search the product with inventory number like before. Now click here and this window will come. Go to each of these tabs and make sure every piece of information is given. Make necessary corrections if needed. Then click on save and submit. We'll get this confirmation if our submission is okay. Okay, that's it. I think the process is pretty complicated because you need to download file multiple times and upload them. To avoid any kind of errors or mistakes, follow each steps one by one according how I showed in this video. If you have a hard time to manage and grow your online business, we are here to help. Send an email at info@ecomclips.com. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.